How to enable developer option. Hit your mobile and follow me. I teach you how to enable developer option. Let's go! Now start, tap the settings of your phone. Then I will teach you direct to find build number. Here a search setting, tap build number. Tap it. Scroll up. Then, if you want to enable developer option, just type 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now enter the PIN number. Tap back to search settings and type developer option. Yes, one. Tap this one. And now, as you can see, use developer option is already enabled. My question, how can I access advanced setting of my phone to disable developer option? Now you can tap the turn off button here. If this video is helpful, please like and share.